Here's the 51 Panacera with the quad 600 horsepower. Nice aft summer kitchen here with cold storage. Elected for the tackle drawers on the starboard. Rumble seat that folds up. Again, those are the quad V12 600 horsepower Mercuries. Live wells on the port and starboard. Nice opening platform here on the port side. Two rows of seating. So seating for 8 and nice bolstered seats here. So look at this. This is great. You really get up and go and enjoy yourself. Everyone's really nicely protected in those bolstered seats. We do have the Garmin triple multifunction displays here, as well as the Mercury control. This one has the joystick and Skyhook, as well as your traditional throttle controls. Moving forward on the port side, so this is basically a walkthrough on the port side. And what you're going to see forward here, you do have some options as far as seating goes. So this could be laid down to form either a day bed or up for a couple of rows of seats like that. Very nice. You'll note the table is high-low. It does have the faux teak there, so when it's all the way down, you're not even going to notice that's a table. But that's a nice option if you want it folded down. The center seat there does fold forward for additional access to storage spaces. And then you've got the windlass area and the anchor hatch forward of that. On either side, you do have nice storage lockers.